Model, 2003 Iveco Daily Crew Cab Tipper Flatbed Spares or Repairs needs a head gasket. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 155864. MOT, the 15th of March 2025. Engine, 2287 cc IVE 2.3. Transmission, 5-speed manual, red. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, wind-up windows, tipper in working order. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.